Hi, my name's John. I'm a marketing director. I give Smartlook 5 stars, and for more reviews like this, click below. Before we used Smartlook, we used other user experience software like Crazy Egg, but we found that it was quite hard to implement and quite expensive. So Smartlook came in at a much better price and also gave us the results that we needed. We chose Smartlook because it was easy to integrate. It was one-click download. It sat across all of our platforms and it was enabling us to work with our customers more efficiently by giving them data from the SmartLook system to enhance their websites. We found SmartLook really, really easy to get started with. It's just a web download. You can add some code into your website. So if you get access to the back end of your websites, if you're using multiple platforms like WordPress or Shopify, it's really, really simple to use. I'd give it 5 out of 5. For anybody who's thinking about Smartlook, I would have a look at their /free URL and just trial it for free to start with. Have a look at what results you're getting from it on the free version, and then you won't be disappointed. You'll want to download it and get it used on all your client sites.